Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures and Forex Market Preview for Thursday the 11th of March and Friday the 12th. Just to be clear, the 11th to the 12th is quarterly contract futures roll. So those of you know what that means, that Friday's probably going to be dead, Thursday could be dead. We're going to do our best. We're going to see what we can do. Monday was great, Tuesday was ant, Wednesday was ant. We'd love to have another good trading in the week, but we have once a quarter events, see positive 10 and stocks. So I don't know that it's very exciting, but it is what it is. Here's the ES Frontline Futures Contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum. And again, as the U.S. Congress finally passes a real bill that gets some things done for the American people and the state governments, the market's back up. So looking at the ES was up, the S is more than the S&P usually, but again, very near all-time highs as usual. And we'll talk about the rest here in a minute. The crude oil up 51 cents at 64.95, kind of a blip, but again, oil heating up a bit because the economy is starting to heat up a bit, and we will go from there. Gold up $7.30 off the lows. Gold is inflationary. Like when gold goes up, that's inflationary, but I don't know if that means anything when we're at the lows of the year or just off of it. S&P cash gains 23.37. Okay, that's good. So we're near the highs. Again, like I said, the NASDAQ 100 down 42 points, not near the highs. Obviously, there's a lot of the Big Ten, the FANG stocks and stuff are very low value. It's good that they're coming back in. So Rich made a very good call this week, which is about the spread between ES going up and the NASDAQ going down. And once again, now stocks down 52 points. Off that 13 sell signal, it bounced right off that static trend line for a day or two that doesn't really hold it. So it's really good to see the market pull back. Valuations are just off the charts. It's just making sense. So the biotech's up 3. That's a pretty flat day for the biotechs. They retire plus 2,040. Look at the small cap index heads towards highs. This is kind of interesting though, because this kind of leads the market. So let's see what that gives us. The VIX down $1.47 to 22.56. The trend closes at 0.92, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.05. Pretty soon here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're in 2 more days. We're going to lose that big number that was up at 2.2. So that'll bring the moving average down quickly. Get everything to 0.85. That is a sell signal in the market. Let's not be foolish. No matter what's going on in the economy, the market is overvalued. NASDAQ volume 6 billion shares. It's kind of lighter side of what we've seen lately. When we say that, look, it's pretty simple. You look at the 10-day moving average, which is what we have in the line here. We're under it, right? That's the decline ratio on the NASDAQ is 11.71. So more stocks are up and down. Although record value on the year plus 15.29. So again, it's a deal. Google, now here's the thing that's interesting. This is why the NASDAQ's down. Google down $4.17. It's still near all-time highs, don't get me wrong. If we crack that low from the last month, that's going to be a problem. Apple down $1.10. Okay, that's good too. Netflix down $1.90, still sitting where it was back around 4th of July. Amazon down $5.21. Supply on still sitting where it was back in July. Tesla down $5.52 because very overvalued, obviously, that's the bottom line there. So a little bounce, but then it's a lot today. Facebook down 84 cents. Still staying where it was back in August, so this thing hasn't run anywhere in a while. Zoom down $6.08. So now sitting at all-time lows since back in September. Goldman Sachs up $11.40. Essentially a big deal of money there for the day. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 28 cents. Okay, whatever. And the Dow was up 464 points. So this is new all-time highs on the Dow. Now, I do want to specify, we don't care about the Dow here. 30 stocks in the Dow doesn't really matter. I care a lot more about the S&P, which is not at all-time highs, or the NASDAQ, which is actually heading down. But, it is what it is from a benchmark perspective. Bitcoin, 56,000 plus. New all-time highs for a bit here. Alright, in terms of intraday action, here's the ES. Look at how flat that is. Let's just look at the last couple of days. Okay, let's go back. We can see the end of Friday. Okay, so kind of a flat opening, no gap. We filled early, went higher, came back close to the close of the day. Tuesday we gap up, okay, that's not a problem, and then higher, and then going into lunch. Now here's the thing that matters. This is the problem. It was gap up and then squeeze for an hour. Going into lunch, then basically dead flat all the way through the end of the day. When you were going into lunch, that's where you closed the end of the day, right? And then Wednesday, gap up, moved around a bit, and still just literally closed where we opened. Look where we opened on Wednesday, look where we closed. And it was not much of a range. So this is really disappointing action, but again, you can't really expect it to get more exciting as we head into triple contract roll, which is what's happening Thursday and Friday. So hopefully something gets done Thursday, because I don't see it being exciting on Friday. That's just how that works. In terms of economic data on Thursday, unemployment claims, that's the initial number. Once job opening is getting gas and 30-year bond option. And then just because this is for the rest of the week, because I don't expect anything on Friday, PPI Friday at 8:30, CV leading index at 9:30, University of Michigan Saturday at 10. That's it. So we'll see what we get. But the markets are holding very much near highs, a very positive reaction, even though here's the thing, at the end of the day, you look at a lot of these stocks, especially the NASDAQ tech stocks, which is why they're selling off, they're overvalued. It's just, that's simple. Like, these stocks should not be up here on a price to earnings ratio. So, if they sell off, that's fine, but the rest of the market is what it is. Charts as usual brought to you by Signal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Thursday.